We are seeing some of the first really cold temperatures of the year, which may make you want to bundle up inside.
Yeah, right. And that can be hard to do if your furnace really isn't working the way it should. WSBT 22's Katlin Connin is at the live desk. And Katlin, you spoke to some HVAC experts about how to tell if your furnace needs repairs.
Todd, they say it's pretty easy to tell. You can use your ears and your nose. Any strange sounds or smells, and you may need to call in professional help. But not everyone can afford that help. Fortunately, there are options for those people. Nearly 2 years ago, an elderly man and his adult daughter died in their home in Niles. The temperature in their house had dropped below freezing. Albert and Patricia Bivens could not afford to fix their furnace. The staff at Home Comfort Experts don't want that to happen to anyone else.
We had a long winter ahead of us. Let's make sure we're safe and comfortable.
That's part of why Home Comfort Experts is working with Real Services to help people who might not be able to afford repairs.
We're able to come out and get them taken care of as long as they've been approved through Real Services.
Ingrid Simmons is the Energy Assistance Program Director for Real Services. She says families have to qualify for that program to qualify for furnace repairs or replacements.
We can help families that are at or below 60% of the state median income.
Simmons encourages anyone with a broken furnace to apply, but says this is a new program.
We cannot guarantee that we can help them. We don't know how long the funding is going to last, and especially on the replacements, it is even more limited.
If you can't get help from Real Services, you can also try the state low-income home energy assistance programs for Michigan or Indiana, depending on where you live. But Olesen says you shouldn't try to fix any major problems by yourself.
For the most part, most of this is designed to be tuned up and maintained by a professional.
Of course, Real Services Energy Assistance Program doesn't just help with repairs. It also helps families who may struggle to pay their heating bills. If you need that help, Simmons encourages you to reach out and see how much assistance you qualify for. At the live desk, Katlin Connin, WSBT 22 News.